Here's a simple step-by-step guide on how to update the phone number on your Google account. Start by opening any browser and going to myaccount.google.com. Sign into the Google account you want to update. Then tap your profile picture and select Manage your Google account. On the top menu, swipe until you see Personal Info. Tap it. This page holds all the personal details linked to your Google account. Scroll down to the section called Contact Info. Tap Phone. Google will show you your current phone number. Tap on that number to open its settings. If your old number is no longer active, tap Delete Number or the trash icon. Confirm the removal. Google may ask for your password before continuing. Now tap Add Phone Number. Enter your new number and tap Next. Google will send a verification code by text. Enter the code to confirm it. Once verified, your new phone number is officially added to your account. And that's it. Your Google account phone number has now been updated successfully.